guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a back to school supplies DIY type of video. So I showed how to make some notebooks and a bag for school, and this video is going to be a collab with the following people: CC Love, Michaela Danielle, and Kevin Incredible. Go subscribe to all of them because I love all of their channels so much and they deserve way more subscribers. I think that's all I have to say for the intro, so I will get on to the video. So for my DIY book bag, I looked up Tumblr transparents online. I picked the ones I want, then I printed them on to transfer paper, then I ironed them on to my bag. So for my DIY pencils, I took pencils and glitter. Then I took the pencils and I put glue around them, and then I rolled them in the glitter, and that was the end. So for my notebook, I looked up Tumblr transparents and then I chose the ones I like. Then I printed them on to just regular paper. Then I cut them out and glued them on to my notebook with Mod Podge. I know I'd go back to you. And that's the way to love it now. I can tell you shit that you went through. They are so confused. Who cares about the rational? If it ain't your view, that's about it. So for my second notebook, I did the same thing as the first notebook, and after I was done with gluing all the pictures down, I added glitter on to the notebook, and that was the end. Okay, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram at on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to help me get there. I think that's all I have to say, so goodbye!